Welcome to Six Figs. I'm Kyle. In today's video, we're talking about a crazy leak that just happened on behalf of Definity and Caffeine AI. Hit me up on X at Real6Fig. This is where I get down and dirty. You see, Ghost in the Node has released a video that shows the one and only, folks, Dominic Williams using Caffeine AI. Now, if you're not familiar with what Caffeine AI is, it's an application that was built by the Definity Foundation. Now, this application is special because it turns every user into a developer. You see, you can just write up a prompt or tell Caffeine AI what exactly it is that you would like to build. And Caffeine AI will then take that information, write the code, give you an option to deploy the software in the form of a web page. So I do think that this holds potential to allow the floodgates to open of degen activity. I'm going to tell you guys this. There are a lot of smart people out there that have a lot of great ideas that don't have access to good developers or capital to hire good developers. And so they're stuck with these ideas. At least with Caffeine AI, Definity is giving them a chance to bring their dreams to the chain. Now you can see that Dominic Williams has given Caffeine AI this prompt that is asking Caffeine AI to write a prompt or write up an application to allow a tech startup company to screen new recruits and things like that. So you can see how Caffeine AI is displaying some of the code that it's writing in the background here. We're just going to fast forward. You can see that the Caffeine AI application has written the software. It's giving Dominic Williams an opportunity to open up the application. It almost looks like this application that he spun up will only be available for 90 minutes. So it almost appears that there is some sort of time limit in which you need to claim this application, possibly before the data gets deleted, something like that. Dominic Williams goes on to say that you can code in any language that you would like. We'll just kind of scoot ahead here a little bit. Dominic Williams opens up the application, and really, you get this beautiful dashboard based on a very limited prompt that Dominic Williams input. So you can see that this dashboard is allowing him to basically tailor his needs, his requirements to this website. So it's a very, very fascinating thing to see happen. And I do think that it's not Caffeine AI that will drive a super pump on the internet computer's price. It is going to be the people that are creating these spectacular degen applications that get mega usage that is going to drive all the prices up of ICP and things like that. If you guys are interested, you're welcome to join the FOMO Factory, which is my group. It costs 1 ICP, and that's just to weed out the spam. Now, you can get in it for about $9.06. It's a lifetime membership, but I'm constantly dropping tons and tons of charts that are exclusive to this group, okay? We just covered Alice. We've been covering Bob. We've been covering all these new tokens, McDoms, things like that within this group, and it costs 1 ICP. The price is only going to go up on ICP. So you might as well get in now at the ground floor. You guys can see that I am an absolute degenerate trader. This was from last week. In a 24-hour period, I doubled my trading bag. These were all my trades that I made over a couple-day period, but the time frame where I doubled my bag was within 25 3/4 hours. I was able to secure 103% plus. So if you're into trading and want to see what I'm looking at, this is the place to get that update. Now, the ICP meme coin ecosystem looks like an absolute slaughterhouse today. I must say, this looks bad, but the whole market looks bad. Now, what's happening with ICP? Well, guess what? The people at the FOMO factory, or the members, they got this alpha way earlier on. And ICP, in my opinion, is probably going to trend down to at least $8.45. You see, there is a Fibonacci channel happening here. There could be a possible cup and handle happening here. Guys, there is a Fibonacci time sequence which nailed the volatility down to like the hour or within a couple hours here. And now it's telling me that we've got more volatility on Friday, February 7th. So this could be a point where price action reverses around. And if price action respects the lower trend line of this Fibonacci channel, you might see an $8.40-ish ICP. There is a very clear trend line, and this could be the case here, that we are seeing some sort of falling wedge. And we will be updating this daily at the FOMO factory on OpenChat, so you guys can scan the QR code if you want to get in. Like I said, right now it costs $9, and that's really just to eliminate all the spammers and things like that. Hope you guys enjoyed this update, and we'll see you guys all on the next video.